Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I make my budbud balanghoy or whatever you call it in your local dialect. So here we go. First, all we need is the dahon ng saging. Okay, so I got mine from our local Asian market, Asian store in Portland. And I got it from the frozen aisle. So, obviously, it's frozen. Una, halubon lang nako ang dahon. Stove is ready. And ihahalob ko lang siya one at a time. Yep, yep, yep. Yay! And the next thing I would do is wipe the sleeves. Because normally, back home, after namin ihalob ang leaves, so ang daming alikabok. So that's why it needs to be punasan para clean. So yung mga maliliit guys, you don't throw it away. You might be thinking, oh, this is useless kasi hindi magkasya for the suman. But guess what? You can use this as your tali sa suman. Just to make it clean. Alright, just finish wiping them off and now they are a little clean. Alright, so what you do with your itong mga ritaso, kakat mo lang siya. So normally use the lines as our guide. So I'll just 1, 2, 3, there, 1, 2, go. Okay, so yung little pieces of the leaves, I just cut them into small ones, just like that. And I'm gonna use them para gawin kong tali sa aking. Alright, so now I have my banana leaves, tapos yung aking pantali, and so I just need my grated cassava, shredded coconut, and my brown sugar. I want to make my suman simple. I preferred brown sugar because I wanted my suman to look like golden yellow. So here's our 2 packs of cassava and the pack of coconut. So I'll just mix them up, and while mixing, I normally check for those stick-like thingies, and they look like this over here. I don't know what they are called, but they're not good. Now adding a cup of sugar. Sure, why not? Sure. All right. And I decided to add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. After combining the 4 ingredients, it didn't turn out as thick as I wanted it to be, and I think it's because I forgot to remove the coconut juice from the pack, but it's okay. Now it's from the pack. Okay, so you just gonna do it like this, and then start rubbing it up. Just like that, and try to tighten it.
Oh, and by the way, if my mom doesn't know how to say English words, just comment and do the word in English how to say it.
And then you just fold it. And I'm gonna fold the other side. Yay! I just finished wrapping them. And I tried my best na uniform yung sizes nila, but it's really hard when you have limited banana leaves. This is my, I guess, my tying material. So, i-prepare ko lang sila, tapos itatay. So, I'm gonna show you one. This one, I'll tie with this one, although they almost are not the same. Okay, so I'm gonna use one on each side. Okay, and other side. You just tie the other side. Okay, so they don't open up when cooking. So it will look just like that. They will be cooked in partners. I'm done pairing them and ready to cook them. Then I'll be cooking it for probably over an hour, just to make sure it's well done. I cook it for over an hour now. I'm just waiting for the water to really be gone. I'd rather overcook it than undercook it. And this is how they look like when they're cooked. You just remove the tali and then it's ready to serve.